There's a giant ass cockroach in my room. Come in.
What do I do once I get inside the
Come
cup?
on. Kill it. Kill the fire. Look at it. Ah.
Once I get inside the cup, what do I do?
No.
How do I get it off?
Kill it.
With the
Just kill it.
cup?
No, yeah, just kill it. Kill it. If it gets on my back. Ah!
You got it. Now what do I do?
Is he a cop?
Yeah, he's freaking out there.
He's freaking out there.
What do I do?
I don't know.
I'm not gonna stand here all night. What do I do?
We should get like a sheet of paper so he like
Go get it.
lodged it into What's it doing? Oh, it's moving around, Ew. I can't. Here.
No.
No.
Okay. Not kidding, that's my favorite. Wait, kid. Go get a paper. Get like.
I'm gonna have to go downstairs.
Hurry up, Jesse.
Okay.
My arm is fucking tired. Go downstairs. Are you still recording?
Don't
Go
touch it.
downstairs. He's moving a lot.
Wait. Let me get a safe distance. Okay. Take him to the bathroom. Take him to the bathroom. Take him to the bathroom. Flush his ass down the toilet. Oh, there it is. There it is. Don't do that. You gotta like pick up the bottom of the paper and hold it in your hand. Like just. No, it's not. No, you just hold the bottom of the paper with your hand. No, he's not. Just. No, he's not. Just. Stop being a vagina. Wait. Okay. Now, come to the bathroom. Wait, let me get the toilet open before you so you don't freak out. Okay, come on.
But how do I get it out?
Drop this. No.
I don't like it.
Drop him in the toilet.
It's fine.
No, he's not. Drop him in the toilet.
Oh my god.
Fucking do it.
You do it!